a word game. I know how much you like word games. I like them too. Here's how it works. When you say a word, you can hear the first sound, can't you? Listen, horse. What's the first sound? That's right, it's H, hat. Now, I'm going to say the word horse without the h. Listen, horse. Do you see how that works? Let's try another one. Here's the word, cat. Say cat. The first sound is, that's right, it's k. Now say cat without the k. Did you get it? At. Let's try a few more together and then you'll do a few for homework. Ready? Say the word shy. Do you hear the sh at the beginning? Now say the word shy without the sh sound. Did you get it? It's I. Let's try another one. Here's the word tall. Say the word tall without the t. All. Here's the word make. The first sound is m. Now say the word make without the m. Ache. Ready? Here's the word shout. The first sound is sh. Say the word shout without the sh. Out. Did you get it? Here's the word mice. The first sound is m. Now say the word mice without the m. Ice. Did you get it? Here's the word fold. The first sound is f. Say the word fold without the f. Old. Are you calling me old? Here's the word neat. Now say the word neat without the n. Eat. Two more. Say the word sink. The first sound is s. Now say the word sink without the s. Ink. Last one. Here's the word mat. The first sound is m. Now say the word mat without the m. Ah! Ready to do some for homework? I'll show you a picture, but your job is going to be to delete the first sound. Ready? Here is your phonics homework. Esta es tu tarea fonética. I'm going to show you some words. Say the word. Then say the first sound. Then delete the first sound. Say the word without the first sound, just like we practiced. Te voy a mostrar algunas palabras. Di la palabra. Luego diga el primer sonido. Luego borrar el primer sonido. Di la palabra sin el primer sonido, tal como lo practicamos. This is a heart. Say heart. What's the first sound? Now say the word heart without the h. Art. Did you get it? This is a cow. Can you say it without the first sound? Ow. This is a farm. What's the first sound? Can you say it without the first sound? Arm. This is a bus. What's the first sound? Can you say it without the first sound? Us. This is a hill. What's the first sound? Can you say it without the first sound? Ill. Last one. This is hair. What's the first sound? Can you say it without the first sound? Air.